अलिफ से अनार, अलिफ मदा से आड़ू, बे से बंदर, पे से पपीता, ते से तितली, टे से टमाटर, से समर, जीम से जहाज, चे से चिड़िया, हे से हलवाई, खे से खच्चर, दाल से दुआ, डाल से डॉक्टर, जाल से जखीरा, रे से रेलगाड़ी, रे से पहाड़, जे से ज़ेब्रा, जे से ज़ालाबारी, सीन से सेब, शीन से शेर, बाद से संदूक, ज़्वाद से ज़ईफ, तोए से तोता, ज़ोए से ज़रूफ, आइन से औरत, गाइन से गुब्बारा, फे से फुटबॉल, काफ से कुरान पाक, काफ से खजूर, गाफ से गाय, लाम से लड़की, मीम से माल्टा, नून से नारियल, वाव से वकील, हे से हाथी, हमजा से नाई, ये से यक्का, ये से या रसूल अल्लाह सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम। A for apple, apple means सेब. B for banana, banana means केला. C for cat, cat means बिल्ली. D for dinosaur, dinosaur means dinosaur. E for elephant, elephant means हाथी. F for fox, fox means लोमड़ी. G for giraffe, giraffe means zarafa. H for hippo, hippo means hippo. I for ice cream, ice cream means ice cream. J for jellyfish, jellyfish means jellyfish. K for kangaroo, kangaroo means kangaroo. L for lion, lion means शेर. M for monkey, monkey means बंदर. N for nest, nest means घोंसला. O for all means उल्लू. P for penguin, penguin means penguin. Q for quail, quail means quail. R for rabbit, rabbit means खरगोश. S for sheep, sheep means भेड़. T for turtle, turtle means कछुआ. U for unicorn, unicorn means unicorn. V for vampire, vampire means vampire. W for whale, whale means whale मछली. X for xylophone, xylophone means xylophone. Y for yak, yak means yak. Z for zebra, zebra means zebra. Hello students, today we are learning about adjectives and opposites. So let's start the video. Good, bad, big, small, happy, sad, sleep, awake, stand, Sit. Young. Old. Together. Alone. Black. White. In. Out. Same. Different. Attack. Defend. Active. Lazy. Back. Front. Near. Distance. Cute. Ugly. Brave. Afraid. Fast. Slow. Come. Go. Sister. Brother. Father. Mother. Day. Night. Outside. Inside. More. Less. Strong. Weak. Man. Woman. Thin. Fat. Hot. Cold. Turn on. Turn off. Husband. Wife. Open. Close. Tall. Short. Pass. Fail. Comedy. Drama. Dark. Light. Angel. Devil. King. Queen. Ask. Answer. Poor. Rich. Right. Wrong. Easy. Difficult. Hard. Soft. Build. Destroy. Love. Hate. Run. Walk. Speak. Listen. Give. Take. Boy. Girl. A for apple.
A for apple.
B for ball.
B for ball.
C for cake.
C for cake.
D for dog.
D for dog.
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
F for fish.
F for fish.
G for giraffe.
G for giraffe.
H for hen.
H for hen.
I for ice cream.
I for ice cream.
J for jacket.
J for jacket.
K for kangaroo.
K for kangaroo.
L for lion.
L for lion.
M for monkey.
M for monkey.
N for nest.
N for nest.
O for orange.
O for orange.
P for parrot.
P for parrot.
Q for queen.
Q for queen.
R for rat.
R for rat.
S for sparrow.
S for sparrow.
T for tomato.
T for tomato.
U for umbrella.
U for umbrella.
V for violin.
V for violin.
W for watch.
W for watch.
X for xylophone.
X for xylophone.
Y for yacht.
Y for yak.
Z for zebra.
Z for zebra.